Mayday, mayday. Anyone copying Channel 9? Terrorists have seized the Nakatomi building and are holding at least 30 people hostage. I repeat, unknown number of terrorists, 6 or more armed with automatic weapons at Nakatomi Plaza, Century City.
Where's the best place to transmit?
Somebody answer me, goddammit.
The roof. Go, go!
It's the same address as that fire signal.
I'll handle it. Attention, whoever you are, this channel is reserved for emergency calls only.
No fucking shit, lady! Do I sound like I'm ordering a pizza?
No one kills him but me.
They have already killed one hostage. They are fortifying their positions while you're jerking me off on the radio. Now send the police
Sir,
back
I've
up
already
ASAP.
told you, this is a reserved channel. If this is an emergency call, dial 911 on your telephone. Otherwise, I'll have to report this as an FCC violation.
Fine, report me. Come the fuck down here and arrest me. Just send the police now.